Oh, I seriously hate it when people steal me photos. I spend hours editing and then someone just takes them. There has to be a faster way to protect me work.
Then you need to visit the hut. GhostHut. No logins, no traces, just invisible protection for your digital soul. Upload, mark, vanish.
Wait, it's free and I don't have to sign up?
Exactly. The hut is always open.
Okay, let's see what this can do. I'll just drop me photo in here. Oh wow, it's instant. But can I change where the text goes? I don't want it right in the middle of my subject.
Of course, use the grid to haunt any corner you choose. Top left, center, or bottom right. You control the strength, the size, and the color. Make it bold or make it a whisper.
This is perfect. It looks professional and it took me, 10 seconds? No accounts, no bloated software, just hit download and I'm done.
Exactly. The hut is always open, but your images, they belong only to you now.